Hi designers, welcome to Hitch Graphics. In this video, I will teach you the 3 amazing Illustrator tips and tutorials in a single video. In this video, I will teach you how to create text stroke blend effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, create a new file with these dimensions and hit OK.
Go to the rectangle tool and click once and add an artboard dimension to it. Then click on the Align option and do the center align and apply the dark shade color to it. Then lock the background or press Ctrl+2.
Select the Type tool and type your text. Apply the white color on it and adjust its size. Double-click on it to change its font. I am using this font. You can choose any font you like. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Then change its Fill to Outline and increase its stroke weight to 3. Right-click on it and ungroup them. Right-click again and click on the Release Compound Path.
Go to the Direct Selection tool. Then select these lines and delete. Also delete the extra anchor points. Select this anchor point and drag it inside and these lines separated. Select both, go to the Object menu, Blend, and then Make, then open blending options. Set the specified steps to 8, or you can increase or decrease the lines, and hit OK. And follow me.
You can play with angles of the gradient to change the direction color till you are satisfied.
I have this color palette. You can apply any color that you like. Go to the Gradient panel, click on the color icon, then hold the Shift key and apply the color to it. Apply the gradient color to it with these colors and it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next video.
This type of brush letter by using the Wrinkle tool in Illustrator. So let's get it started. First, create a new document with these dimensions. Go to the Rectangle tool, click once, and add the artboard dimensions, and do the center line. Change its color to black. Go to the Object menu and lock the background.
Select the Type tool and type your letter. In my case, I choose the letter N. It changes its font to serif font and adjust its size. Right-click on it and choose Create an Outline. Go to the Eraser tool, hold the Alt button, and erase the bottom part of it. Then go to the Direct Selection tool and select these points and drag them down. Then click on the Width tool. Then choose the Wrinkle tool. Double-click on the Wrinkle tool. Here you can adjust the settings, change its WID and height to your requirements. Increase intensity to 100%. Here we have horizontal and vertical option. I'm going to set horizontal to 0% and vertical to 100%. Increase the detail to 10. Hold the Alt key and move it to adjust its size, and then apply. And apply the Wrinkle tool to it. Select these points and drag them upward. Go to the Gradient tool and apply the gradient to it. Let's try with another letter and follow me. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. In the I will teach you how to create this text design in Illustrator. So let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Rectangle tool and create a shape around the artboard and apply the black color to it. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the background. Go to the Ellipse tool and create a circle shape, apply the white color to it, and change its filter outline. And increase its stroke weight. Go to the Scissor tool, select these anchor points and delete it. Hold the Alt key and create a copy of it, rotate it, and adjust it like this. Select both and connect these anchor points using a pen tool, rotate it,
Go to the gradient tool and select the black and white gradient. Follow my gradient settings. I have these colors. You can also apply the color to it.
And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section in the next